Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have here for you today? I have braided twist wig. Yeah, this is braided. What am I actually doing? I'm dancing. I'm just feeling this wig right here. Yeah, actually, this braid was for a client. Is for a client. I made like four and a half pack of hair expression with a closure. So stay tuned and watch how I achieve this wig. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my ladies. Support your girls and subscribe. Okay, stay tuned and keep on watching. Yeah, actually I'm sewing the closure down to the cap. I use normal regular cap that I used to do dome cap, and I'm sewing the closure down into the cap right now. Yeah, what I did here is I use crochet with the hair expression. Well, I'm really useless when it comes to explaining, but hopefully you ladies are seeing what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain, but I'm just crochet the hair into the cap and twist it down. All I'm basically doing is doing crochet. I did the crochet all the way from the beginning till the top, till I reach the closure. I'm back to the closure now. All I'm doing, I'm just creating a middle part to the closure and use a flat iron to lay it flat to get a precise line, and I'm gonna twist it out too to get a very sharp line. all I'm doing here is just a normal twist, picking the hair with the hair expression and twist around the hair. All I'm doing right here is to cut the extra cap by the lace, and I'm also gonna finish the end of the hair behind the camera. And thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, once again, thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification button for more videos. Bye, I'll see you next time.